Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today this video or the tutorial is going to be about how to add contact form and fields to it. So there are different fields like first name, last name, or just a name. You can add whole name as well as that user will add, and phone number, address, primary address, city, go like that. So that I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to add one strip. Okay. Now I'm going to add contact form basically. You can add in contact and forms. Just add this one. So here after adding you can make the changes. So first is the form settings. There are many settings about the form. This I will discuss in any of the other video. So as you can see there are email, subject and your message field. So here are the contact fields you can add. So if there are basic fields here also you can add. Then there are advanced fields. This you can add once you update a plan. So you can add this one. I'll show you how to add last name. You must already be phone some content to one. So as you can see these things are added. Now you need to just that's it. For this there are elements option after adding new field. This is we have done after clicking here. So after clicking elements the same window opens after add new field. If when someone clicks on add new field, this window also opens. And there is a layout option. Yes. So can show title or not as you can see, and disable enable as you can see the changes are happening live. And field title this one puts alignment like this, layout like this, space and all. The placeholder of padding, the placeholder padding and the space between space and all, like rows and all. Then design, can just click on directly, or you can choose the design or just do the customization according to the theme or the color that you are using on the current site or the project you are working on site you are working on basically. So here you can go and change the color in the regular mode, hovering it can show like that, and focus. Once someone click on that, then it gets focused. It side effect is called focus and error. So you can change it like this. And submit button, the submit button also has this effects. Then from background, so this is the from background when it is white. As you can see, you can do like that. Then border, I'm just showing you. Please don't go on design. This is going to be about just for the tutorial purpose. So this is how you can do it. And radius, you can do what 80 shadow. So this is how you can do it. So I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching.